Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our 11th lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using RStudio. We have covered each and everything from zero to advanced level of RStudio, how we can import a dataset, how we can download the RStudio, how we can install the packages, how we can write a script, each and everything. So last lecture was about descriptive stats. We learned about what is descriptive stats and why descriptive stat is performed and types of descriptive stat, mean, mode, median, and how we can perform on RStudio. So in our today lecture, we are going to learn how we can perform t-test by using RStudio. So guys, we will learn about one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and pair t-test. Before going into detail, guys, I want to remember you that I have also uploaded 3 lectures of my Python course. Must watch the course and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to master data analysis. And also, guys, I will teach in a lecture how you can make money online by using data analysis services. So let's start, guys. First of all, I have opened RStudio and the total topic is t-test. Types of t-test, types of t-test, and how to perform t-test on RStudio. So guys, first of all, we need a dataset. We will, you can use your own dataset too, guys, but I am going to take a sample dataset from ChatGPT from the t-test on RStudio. I need a sample dataset for all types of t-test on R. I said to ChatGPT that I need a sample dataset to perform t-test on R. I will send this message to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will create a sample data for me to perform all the types of analysis on the ChatGPT. Here you can see that ChatGPT recommend me a dataset, but what I will do that here you can see that share CSV and each and everything ChatGPT has shared with us. But I will ask ChatGPT send me dataset in Excel. I asked ChatGPT I need dataset in the Excel sheet. So ChatGPT will send me dataset and we will perform step by step all the types for t-test on RStudio, guys. And remember one thing that, guys, I have already uploaded Fiverr and Upwork courses on my YouTube channel, how to create account on Fiverr and Upwork, but I will also make new. Here I can see dataset. I will download dataset. Dataset has downloaded. Now I will open ChatGPT and import the dataset. First of all, I will go to import dataset, Excel, and click here. And after that, I will go to downloads, and here is my dataset t-test sample test dataset. I will import dataset and click on import. First, I will see sheets. Here you can see that it ChatGPT give us sheet one sample file, here, this is data file, one sample dataset, one sample. This is for one sample, not two sample. I ask send me dataset for all types of t-test in one Excel sheet. Actually, ChatGPT sent me dataset for only one sample t-test, but I want to perform two sample t-test, pair t-test. That's why I am asking ChatGPT I need dataset for all types of the t-test. So here, combine dataset for all type of t-test. I will download dataset. Dataset has downloaded. I will again go to ChatGPT, cancel this dataset. I don't need. I will import dataset for all type of t-test. I will click here and download dataset from this option, downloads, and here is my dataset. I will click open the sheet. Here now I will click. Here you can see that, guys, I have dataset one sample t-test, and let me scroll independent t-test, and also I have dataset for almost all type of the t-test, but I want dataset for two sample and pair t-test also. I need dataset for one sample, two sample, and paired the test in one Excel sheet. Yes, I will send it to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will create a data set. So here we go, guys. Basically, we can to perform the data set method is same. ChatGPT saying that your free subscription has finished, so I will use the same data set. I will go that import this data set. Basically, we can perform all type of t-tests on this data set. Let's try. First of all, we will guys str our data set. Str mean I have already explained. Str mean we are going to take our data set in the form of the table. So we will first of all will str our data set, and the data set name is t test. We will write the name of t-test dataset. t-test all types. Yes, it is the name of the dataset. We will str this dataset. We will run it, and all types not found. t-test all types not found. There is an error, guys. Let me fix. Here I can see t-test all type dataset. So let me again str this dataset. str. Sorry, actually, what is the issue? I got it now. First of all, I will close my previous analysis that I performed. So now we will start. I will str t-test t test. Now in suggestion it will give you the name, complete name. Again I will do str yes here, and t test here we get. Now I will run. Here I get complete dataset. I will copy this script. Guys, I have already explained each and everything you before. We will go to ChatGPT. I want all types of t test on R. So guys, after this we will also learn why we perform the t-test. Basically, t-test and why we perform t-test. So first of all, let me show you how we can perform the t-test. Here is code for all types of the t-test. One sample t-test. First of all, we will perform one sample t-test. Copy this script and run the script here. We will now run this script. We will run this script, and let me show you results. Here you can see that the results has come. So now we will copy the code for second t-test for independent two sample t-test. We will copy and paste here, and simply we will run the code. Here you can see that, guys, I have get confidence level, percentage confidence level, etc. So now I will copy pair t-test code. I will simply paste here. Now I will run script for pair t-test. Let me run the script, and we will get the results. Yes, we have get the results. So guys, if you want also visualization, we can also get script for visualization here. ChatGPT generated a script for visualization too. You don't need to remember all these scripts. You can generate. You should only have basic idea. So I will run histogram. Here we get histogram, independent t-test, one sample t-test, pattern t-test. So guys, this is how you can perform all type of the t-test analysis by using the RStudio, guys. So in our next lecture, we will learn how we can perform the regression analysis by using the RStudio. How we can perform the regression analysis by using the RStudio. We will also learn what is regression. But for now, we will also see what is t-test. What is t-test? We will also learn what is t-test, why it is performed. What is t-test? T-test is a statistical test to determine whether there is a significant difference between the means of two groups. If we are going to compare two groups and want to see that either there is a significant difference between their means or not. Purpose to check whether difference in sample means are real or could have occurred by random chance. So this is guys all about. So here one sample t-test compares sample means to a known value. Independent t-test compare between two unrelated groups. Compare means over two group errors two times. So this is guys detail. You can also read on the ChatGPT. So this is guys how why we perform the t-test and what is t-test, how we can perform t-test on RStudio. So next lecture is regression and after that time series analysis, then cluster analysis. So guys stay up to date. Thank you.